if you want to see our models in the admin dashboard of the Django projects, we have to create the user first. Okay, so the admin user has been created. So now let's go to our admin dashboard. Get to run the first. So in, and if we want our new models is displayed in here, we have to register it in the admin.py. So let's go here, and first we have to import our model. Then register our new patient. If we refresh, we have this doctors, the first doctors, and the patients. The first patients which has the foreign key, the first doctor. But this is very inefficient if we have to click if we want to see the patients here and then we have to go back to see the doctors here. So let's add the patients in line in this details view. So we have to create a custom class for the doctor admin module. So first we create the patient inline class. Add model patients, and we also create the doctor admin for the doctor model and put the patient inline, one of the inlines like this. So now if we refresh the page, it's not changed. Don't forget to register it here. And we don't need this anymore. Alright, so we have the first patient, but I think we don't want these extra fields to come up, so it is auto generated by Django, but we can setting it up so we don't have to see it. It's equal 0. If we refresh, it will only show the number of patients that has already been registered to this doctor. And if we want to see it as a table rather than this stack view, you can change this to tabular inline and refresh, so it's more efficient and it's easier to see if you have multiple patients after this. So let's try to create the second patients. So let's open a new tab. Let's create it from let's get the first doctor object, then get the new patient from this patient create name patient to import time zone. And this should be also true. So let's see. Okay, so we have two patients now, but if we refresh it right now, the second patient has been registered, so we don't have to save the record anymore because we already edited on the created object. On the next video, we are going to show you how to display these records into the UI that can be seen by both of the doctors and the patients. So see you on the next video.